Waturan tino wano i nandunu mai. Sa tino turan tu Suva. Na wale wana no mani alumina kala waturang mani na mai sulit yung ngalal. Na kaya na may ngarabi juga nang gitu na no mani kuno waturang na juga nandunu mai. Sawa alumina sarikina wale. To the outgoing president and now chairman of the Fiji Rugby Union, Commodore Tawake, the kind sponsors of Suva Rugby, meu sambulare. Suva Rugby Union has come a long way since 1913. Our own Escort Shield is one of the oldest rugby competition in the world. As the rugby union of our nation's capital, Suva continues to rise and raise the bar in terms of governance, development, and of course, performance excellence. I wish to note that being from Maluata and has not been part of Suva for quite a few years, and I was during my term as a patron for the Maluata Rugby Union, one of the things that I have always stressed to more the rural rugby teams is to follow Suva rugby teams format and its management, because I have noted the two different things when you're running teams from the province and in Suva. Suva teams is being run by intellectuals who have skills in management skills, leadership, and have passion. Whereas in the other unions, you will note that governance is a topic that usually discussed. And I've always mentioned to them that at times when the Vanua is involved in the running of the rugby, it does not go well with the sportsmanship. And that is one thing that I wish to point out in today's occasion, that it might be captured by some of the invitees from other provinces, that they would take heed and utilize this statement for the betterment of the provincial rugby in Fiji. The affiliated clubs deserve recognition for their contribution to the success of Suva Rugby. There is a lot of dedication, sacrifice, and heart shown at all levels of age group rugby to the Premier Division. This was evident in yesterday's annual Sukuna Bowls Challenge, where both teams laced out outstanding Suva players. This afternoon, we come together to celebrate Suva players who have etched their names in Olympic history. Our own Osea Kulinsau of the Covenant Brothers Rugby Club led the 2016 Olympians to win the first ever Olympic medal for our country. And 4 years later, we repeated that in Tokyo. Our Fijian team comprised of 3 Suva players and 2 officials. Even though they were robbed of a gold, the Fijians still did us proud by winning an Olympic bronze. Despite the challenges that Fiji was facing, the victories at the Olympics birthed into our homes and communities hope, joy, unity, and celebrations. The impact was and continues to be immeasurable. Ladies and gentlemen, what they have accomplished has planted seeds in the hearts and minds of young boys and girls around the country with proper mentoring, guidance. We are sure to see more medals in the future and also future better citizens. Rugby is no longer a pastime. It's a means of employment, and it reaches all sports, all sectors in our nation. Rugby generates economic activity with the hire of sporting facilities, transport providers, food stalls, and referees. Globally, the Fijian rugby player is a marketable commodity. The large remittance sent back to Fiji from players is a testament to this. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that we provide proper platform for our girls, boys, and women and men to display their rugby talents and their hard work. This progresses through the available national pathways will again bring honor to our nation. To the men and women who we honor today, I congratulate you of not only Suva, but on behalf of a grateful nation. The achievement is only part of the journey. Continue to strive for excellence. Take time to set the right patterns for those that will follow you. Never forget your roots and stay dedicated. Suva Rugby has a bright future ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank the Suva Rugby Union for your kind invitation. To conclude, may you all have a blessed Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Ngā wale usana.